All right, guys. So we are back. I'm back with some random stuff because, again, I don't really have a topic. I just opened the camera, kept it in front of me, and now I'm thinking in my mind what to say. And one of the major updates of my life is that, how I told you that I started CAT prep, and the first chapter of it is 100 pages, which is basically number systems, LCM, वगैरह वगैरह, HCF वगैरह वगैरह, right? And apparently, I learned this shit in sixth class. But see, the thing is that I studied in 10th class. Like, I last studied maths in 10th class, right? And after that, I didn't study maths, and sure, there was a part of it in physics and chemistry, but majorly, I wasn't really focusing on it. And in 10th, also, my maths is very bad, right? Very bad. Like, I'm bad with the basics only. So, so if you ask me, or if you asked me a month back, how to take out LCM and stuff, I wouldn't know that, right? And sure, I can do small maths quick because entrepreneur who मैं. But but majorly I don't really know anything. So it took me very long to just get the basics of the first chapter, and then I tried the questions. I couldn't do it. I started reading the theory and stuff, and again I went to the questions, and now it's done, right? So that's a great thing. And I talked to my friend who is a JEE aspirant, and I was talking to him, and he was like, "Ki, bro, you didn't study maths after 10th, so it's a great improvement that you can now do the questions of LOD 1 or 2." And I was like, "Yeah, sure." And I was sitting on my bed or something, and then I realized that someone who is studying JEE and stuff, and me, there's a zameen asman ka farak, right? Like, this is zameen asman ka difference because he is doing questions every now and then. So regular practice of maths, regular IQ, increasing questions, right? Because see, if you do maths, your analytical ability will increase. There's no question in that, right? There's no doubt in that. So I was just wondering that the guy who did JEE or got IIT or IIMs, like IIT obviously, NIT's bits or something like that, he's just so ahead of me in the analytical part, right? And that was crazy for me, very crazy, right? But okay, like I did accept that, so now that is a part of my life, and I'm working, and now we are moving towards arithmetic progression or something like that. AP जिसको कहते हैं, और it's like 1 3 5. So like the first number, then a specific difference, उसके बाद the next number same specific difference, and it becomes a series and stuff. So yeah, we are doing that. Cat stuff हो गया. The course part. Well, the course is bro, no one is buying it. No one is buying it. So now we are just trying to market it. And to market it, we need reels. So yeah, we are working on that as well. Other than that, हमारे घर पे कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, यहाँ की लाइट चली जाती है. Shit, I shouldn't talk in Hindi. Yeah, okay. But we are going through construction and stuff, and I have to stand there because big boy of the family. So that's something. And yeah, that's it. Or maybe I still want to learn guitar. I couldn't do it. And recently I was watching one of my videos, like old videos about 2023 or something, like when I was having my farewell and stuff, right? And bro, I look so fit in that. And yeah, so the idea is that we will soon start exercising as well. And the title of this video is going to be Cat Took My Life. And the twist to it is that cat took my life on a roller coaster or to a roller coaster or something like that. Haha. But nobody would know this because apparently no one watches till the end. People leave it after the first 30 seconds if they click on the video. That is, yeah, that's it. Bye.